The LOVIMAG 12-piece black fridge magnet set is a practical and versatile solution for organizing and decorating various spaces. These small yet strong magnets are designed to securely hold items on metal surfaces, making them perfect for a variety of uses. Whether you need to pin important notes, photos, or reminders on your fridge, whiteboard, or office board, these magnets deliver exceptional performance. Each magnet is crafted with durability in mind, ensuring they maintain their strength and reliability over time. The compact design allows them to stay out of the way while providing powerful holding capacity. They are an excellent addition to any kitchen, classroom, office, or locker, offering a minimalist look that blends seamlessly with any environment. One of the standout features of these magnets is their ability to hold multiple sheets of paper or lightweight items without slipping. They work well for maps, presentations, schedules, or even small tools, making them ideal for professionals, students, and families alike. In addition to their functionality, these magnets are easy to handle and store. Their sleek black coating not only enhances their appearance, but also prevents scratching on surfaces, ensuring they remain gentle on your fridge, whiteboard, or locker. This 12-piece set provides great value for money, offering enough magnets to meet your organizational needs. Whether you are planning a project, organizing your workspace, or creating a display, these magnets are up to the task. If you are looking for reliable, strong, and versatile magnets to keep your spaces organized, the LOVIMAG black fridge magnets are an excellent choice. Visit the link in the description below to get your own set and simplify your organizational tasks today.